Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on health insurance quotes with eHealth, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the eHealth website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the health insurance quotes section. Enter your basic information, including your age, location, and household size. Make sure to provide accurate details to receive the most relevant quotes. Review any specific health needs or preferences you may have. Consider whether you want individual or family coverage. Click on the Get Quotes button to generate options based on your input. Take your time to compare the different plans presented. Look closely at the monthly premiums, deductibles, and out-of-pocket maximums. Review the network of doctors and hospitals associated with each plan. Assess the coverage details, including prescriptions and specialized care. Use the filtering tools to narrow down your options based on your budget and preferences. Bookmark or save plans that catch your interest for later review. Read customer reviews and ratings for each policy to gauge satisfaction. If any quotes seem unclear, don't hesitate to reach out to eHealth's support team for clarification. Once you've narrowed down your options, compare the pros and cons of your top choices. Evaluate your priorities based on total costs versus coverage benefits. Make your final selection and proceed with the application process. Submit all necessary documentation and information as required. Wait for confirmation of your coverage from the insurance provider. Keep all your health insurance information organized for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.